over there. Go back over there.
Right.
Let's walk.
Can we go to the ducks?
See the ducks?
Look at one duck.
Look, be careful. Don't walk right through there. You see the water. There's water. You don't want to, your shoes will get soaking wet. Go stand by the light pole and hold on to it. Right there. Yeah, you can stand by that. You got to hold on to it though. Hey, Asa! I just got soaked. Okay, come on, let's go to the car.
No, I want to walk. No, walk there. That way.
You can hold my hand. Look at the boats. Rocket. I could throw you in the water.
But not.
Why not?
I don't know how to swim.
What? What do you think about this stormy water?
It'll give everybody wet if they don't hear it.
I had to take off my shoes this morning. It was so wet.
Can you scoot over here, Frank?
You can hold on right there. No, don't climb up. Don't climb up.
Because I might fall in.
Yes, you might fall in.
Don't go all the way that way.
Water is I think you're actually supposed to jump in right here.
Yeah, we are.
We are? Okay, go ahead. I'll come in after you.
No, actually, we're not when it's not summer yet.
Oh, it is summer.
I know, but not until next week.
Why not till next week?
Mom, we can't actually jump in. The water's too cold. And right there.
Hold on, I want to get a picture. Right there. Why do you talk like that? Because it goes out into the ocean.
There's another land all the way over there.
There's another land. What land is it?
I don't know. Maybe it's Florida.
Maybe it's what? Ready to go?
I'm ready to get ready. Mom, can I please play on the playground?
Playground is empty. Okay, tell everybody in Facebook land and YouTube land. Okay, stand right there. Tell them. Say, it's my last day of preschool. Tell them.
Last day of preschool.
What are you now? Where are you going to go to school? What's the name of the school? Do you remember?
Kindergarten.
What's the name of the school?
Panda.
Yeah, they are pandas. Do you remember the name of the school, though?
No.
It's Buckland.
Buckland Panda.
Are you ready? Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye-bye.